Our focus today is on gaining insight and understanding the goals of citizenship education. Citizenship is the relationship between an individual and the country in which they reside, entailing full constitutional rights. Goals of citizenship education: to prepare students for leadership roles, to sustain democracy, to educate youth about their duties and obligations, to foster national unity. Acquisition of citizenship. A citizen is legally recognized as a member of a state with full constitutional rights, enjoying certain privileges and responsibilities. Different methods of acquiring citizenship include: citizenship by birth, when someone is born within the territory of a country or to parents who are citizens of that country. Citizenship by registration, this can occur through marriage or adopting a foreign child. Citizenship by naturalization, foreigners may opt to become citizens of a country, typically after residing there for a certain period and swearing allegiance. Dual citizenship, granted to individuals born in a foreign country to a citizen of another country, such as a Nigerian parent. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.